outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, and you can meet me at 5. I'll be on.
Hey you guys, it's your girl Nicole, aka Nikki Babe 2, and if you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you for clicking on my video. Also, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on down below so you can see me again whenever I post next, you know. So as you can see by the title, we are doing a shadow tutorial using the eyeshadow palette that I reviewed in my last video if you watched it. It is the Impress You by Beauty Glazed. And also, like, if I sound kind of like I'm talking kind of funny, it's because my allergies. I don't know what's going on, you know, allergy life, hashtag blah blah, you know how it is. Alright, so let's get right into this video. Okay, so I zoomed in some so you guys can get a better look at what I'm doing. So first I'm just going to start off with my eyeshadows, but first I would like to prime my eyes, and what I'm going to use is my favorite concealer, which is the Wet n Wild. As you can see, I've been using this a lot. It's the Wet n Wild Photo Focus, and the shade is 842B Medium Tawny. I'm just going to put this over my eyelid. And if you want to know what I have on my lips right now, it's just Carmex to moisturize my lips before I do any lipstick and etc. First, I'm going to do like a base over my eye. So I'm just going to use this one right here. So you just want to put this all over your eyelid. And now we're going to go ahead and try out this red right here. Well, it's like a burgundy almost. And I'm just going to put this on the outside. And I'm just putting, like, basically I'm dabbing it on my eyelid because I don't want to cover the whole eyelid because I want to use a different color. And this eyeshadow is not bad. It's just, as you can tell, it's a little fallout, but it's not much. And this is where I start dabbing again because I don't want to cover the whole entire eyelid. Now moving on to this section, I'm just going to use this one. First I'm going to start off lighter by using this shade. I'm going to use the same brush and use this shade, which is more orange, as you can tell. I think I'm going to switch brushes again. I'm going to be able to just like dab it on there. So go back to this brush. Good. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna work on this outer lid using this one. I'm gonna go back over it with this darker shade. And you want to start like right here. To clean this up, this is my shortcut. And a lot of people use like a piece of tape to do like the cut crease method, but I don't feel like doing all that. So what I do is I just take my concealer and I outline the shape of it. Now, moving on, we're gonna do the tear dots, and I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier face illuminator. And I know it's like, this is a highlighter, but you can use it for anything, so I decided that I wanted to use it right here in the corner of my eyes. The shade, I mean, like, it's just beautiful. So, and as you know, I unboxed this in my other video because I received this from an influencer for testing purposes, and if you want to get this, you definitely should. This is great. Now I'm going to use my Wet n Wild eyeliner pencil, just a simple black shade, you know, pencil. And now I'm going to use my Wet n Wild H2O waterproof liquid eyeliner, and this is the shade 879 Black. And I'm just going to do some wings. I'm going to use my NYX Worth the Hype mascara, and it is the shade WTHMO1 Black. Okay, so moving on, I'm going to use my foundation primer by Mercier also. And yes, this works good, and it doesn't have a strong scent to it either. And yes, let's see. I'm just going to put a little bit lightly on my face before putting my foundation on. What I love about this tinted moisturizer is that if you're like me, you don't really want any foundation on, but just a little. It doesn't take much to blend in. It's lightweight and everything, so I would recommend this. Okay, so I don't know if anyone else does this, but I like to do like my concealer after for my blemishes because it just blends in better for me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that now after the foundation. Okay, so the tinted moisturizer, it is oil free. However, I noticed that my skin was oily after using it. Like, I have oily skin, and using that too made it even more oilier, if that's a word. But anyways, I'm going to use my Prime and Stay Finishing Powder by e.l.f. and take a few dabs over it to make sure there's no oiliness going on, because we do not want that. I do not like that at all. Okay, so last but not least, we're going to do our lips, and I'm going to use my Covergirl Melting Pout, and the shade is 340 Current Nude, and it's a matte finish, so it doesn't take much to put over your lips because you don't want it to look kind of like dry looking, you know. Now we're just going to use this lipstick that I picked up, and it is Wet n Wild. The shade is 982A Violet's Kiss. And yeah, as you can see, it's like a purple pinkish shade, and I'm just going to dab it on there because I don't want it to come out exactly like this. Now I'm going to use my Burt lip gloss, which I've been using a lot this summer, and the shade is 221 Sunny Day. It's a very natural look, like, you know, I use it a lot when I'm just trying to be natural and not do too much. So I'm just putting it a little bit over to give it like a little gloss, you know. Okay, so we're all finished, you guys, with the finishing look. I'm just zooming in some so you guys can get a better outlook on everything, how it's pigmented, etc. And I think we did a pretty good job, especially since I came up with this on the spot. I'm very amazed at myself because this doesn't happen. But anyways, as always, you guys, please like and subscribe if you really enjoy watching my videos. Also, comment below feedback because you know I will reply back. Request a video because you know I'll definitely take that into consideration and do it. And as always, you guys, I hope you all have a nice day or evening depending on where you are at. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!